Hello, my name is Gaudens Martin Zulu. I'm an animation producer. I've been using Maya since version 7, and in this introduction tutorial, you'll learn the basic Maya features and give you the best training needed for you to hit the ground running. First, we're going to touch on the interface. We'll learn about how the Maya interface is displayed and how to manipulate objects. Then we're going to dive right into it and learn about the polygonal modeling. After that, we'll learn about NURBS modeling, NURBS using the NURBS surfaces, and we'll learn about how to create the more complex advanced modeling concept and apply it to a design concept and build a car from scratch. We'll also learn about creating and manipulating textures to give your models added depth and realism. Rendering is another topic that we're going to touch. We'll learn about how rendering works to make photorealistic models. We'll learn about the Maya software renderer as well as the more advanced software renderer called Mental Ray renderer. Paint effect is another topic that we're going to touch. We'll learn how to use the paint effects to create environments and effects. And finally, we'll learn about animation and how to animate our car that we're going to build, and we'll come up with something else to build. We'll come up with something else to build. We'll work together. Now, I'm using the Macintosh computer, but some people have different computers. Some people use the Linux, Mac, or Windows, so it depends what you're using. So anyway, let's start. Starting with the Windows. Once you install Maya, you should be able to have the launch icon on your desktop. But on the Mac, because I've already dragged it into there, with the Mac you probably have to go to hardware. Sorry, because I'm using Geo screen, so it's a bit. You go to hardware. As soon as you install the application, the Maya application that you get from Autodesk, you go to the hard drive, then applications. Sorry, then you should find it here. You go to Autodesk, then it's here, Maya 2011. Click on this icon and drag it into your palette. I already have it, so there's no need to have two icons. So yeah, and when you drag it there, it should be straightforward. Let me close this. As you know, the Mac computer and Windows computers are different. The Mac keyboard is different from the PC or the Linux computer. On the Mac that I'm using at the moment, I'll be hitting Option plus mouse drag to navigate through our scene. But on Windows, you'll be hitting the Alt plus mouse drag to navigate through your screen. And what else is different? The insert key is different. On Windows, they press Insert. On Mac, I'll be pressing Home to insert the icon. You'll learn what insert is as soon as we start learning. You'll learn what the insert is. It will click. I also try and call these out throughout our lessons. Otherwise, everything else should be pretty standard. Another thing that I need to stress is you need a 3-button mouse. I can't stress this enough, but a 3-button mouse is what you need. Yeah, let me just open this Maya. Yeah, you need a 3-button mouse. It's about $10. You can get it from pretty much any computer store, any proper computer store. You can get a 3-button mouse, like $10 or something. Otherwise, you won't be able to navigate Maya. I can't stress this enough. You will need a 3-button mouse to be able to follow these tutorials. You also need a decent graphics card. On my MacBook Pro, there's a, let's see, um, let's see about this Mac memory processor. Graphics card. Jeez, I've been for yeah, graphics and display. I'm using a NVIDIA GeForce 8600M GT, and these are the specs. So yeah, but you probably need an NVIDIA Quadro to be, realistically speaking, an NVIDIA Quadro minimum, or AMD Fire GL card. Okay, you will need a, yeah, your computer will struggle in certain rendering and stuff like that. These are yeah, your computer will struggle a little bit if your graphic cards are not that good. Otherwise, you should be able to do it with a decent graphic cards, and those ones on a strict budget. Don't worry about it. You can still learn the introduction. You'll struggle. Your your computers might give you a few errors here and there, but it shouldn't be something big. You should be able to follow these tutorials pretty well. Otherwise, when you go into more advanced rendering, you will need a better graphic card. But for now, we can learn with this one. So why don't we dive right into it and do some cool animations?